Welcome to another SimpleFeed screencast. Today we're going to be looking at RSS reading in Windows 8. We're recording this in early November 2012, which means Windows 8 just launched about a week ago. When you log on to Windows 8, the first thing you see is the new default interface called the Live Tiles UI, previously known as the Metro UI. Now, Microsoft is doing this very big departure from Windows 7 here so that they can unify their mobile phone, PC, and tablet interfaces. And these tiles, little rectangles or little squares here, are just apps, and Microsoft installs some of these, and you can go install some other ones. So the first way to read RSS feeds in Windows 8 is to go get an RSS reader app. And you do that either by browsing through the store or by searching. So we'll hit the little search button here, choose RSS. Alright, so up at the top you can see 142 applications here use RSS. Most of them are straight ahead RSS readers. Some of them look a little like Google Reader, others look like Flipboard. Some of these are, say, here in Gadget, just putting their RSS feed into a little app, so they'll be on your desktop and their content will always be there. So we've pre-installed a couple of these things here. The first is called FeedReader. And FeedReader goes out and synchronizes with your Google Reader. Grab that subscription list, and then you can go through and look at whatever feed might be of interest here. Say the Toyota Racing Channel, and we can choose one of these. Okay, and that's what the content looks like. You can very quickly go through all your content and see what's important to you. Second one we'll look at is called Bento. Bento, rather than a traditional RSS reader, is kind of a content browser that has some RSS built into it. Alright, so they take a image here, rotten bananas and moldy bread. Great. But typically it's a nice looking image. Of course it would happen that during the screencast we get that. But anyway, we have bundles of pre-selected content here that you can go through and browse in sort of a magazine type format if we choose Engadget. Very similar to Flipboard there. You can also go in, click the big X on, or the big plus sign on the side. You can add your Google Reader here on the far left. Up on the top right, you can add a feed by manually putting in the URL and customize it as you would like. Now, one of the interesting things about Windows 8 is they really give you two versions of Internet Explorer. Here from the Windows UI, you get Internet Explorer for Windows UI. And if you run across an RSS feed, it will prompt you what application would you like to use, for example, one of these, to read that RSS feed. Now, I think people who are running Windows 8 on their desktop are probably not going to spend too much time in this Windows UI approach. They're going to go into the desktop mode, where they will see the second version of IE, which is IE 10 for desktop. So this is maybe a little more comfortable and familiar to people here. You can go through, choose an RSS feed, add it to your browser. So here we get an experience very similar from IE 7, 8, 9. They've all kind of worked this way. You can subscribe to these feeds, and your feeds are read in IE over here, and you can see all your latest content, go through it quickly. Importantly, Microsoft has kept the RSS feed list in here, which can be used by their applications. As you may know, that's what's used by Outlook to sync all of your RSS feeds. So this has been a quick look inside Windows 8 where RSS feed reading is alive and well. If you like this screencast, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, which is SimpleFeed Videos, visiting our website simplefeed.com, or following us on Twitter @SimpleFeed. Thanks for watching.